Hi all, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So I thought I'd do a quick update on the Legatus Capital project, which is a forex trading platform. Okay, so they're going to do forex trading on your behalf. So you basically stake your whatever you want to put in, and then they'll do forex trading and hopefully give you a reward at the end of each week. So why the update? Well, if we go to the Discord. Um, So Larry's put here, everyone, we know transparency is key, and a lot of you have been asking for more details of our trading accounts, along with evidence of trading activity. We'll be publishing weekly trade reports at the end of each week moving forwards. But until then, we have recorded a short video of us logging into our broker accounts and showing live trading along with trade history in MT5. If anyone has any questions, feel free to drop them in general chat. So there's a video there. I'll sort of quickly show you that. Oh, that's my video. Um, Now, other announcements. They've also updated some bots, basically. So give the LGT price. So that was there already, but they've added trading pool bot and a bond and tax wallet bot. So that what they're doing is basically being transparent. So this is why it's sort of the updated video because they're constantly adding more information to make sure that the investor can feel as comfortable in putting money into a project as they can be. So, in the past, you've had projects where they say things like, "Oh no, we can't show you the trading because it's all secret. We don't want to tell you our secret source and things like that." Okay, so that's kind of stuff in the past. You can't do things like that. Okay, you have to be transparent. Okay, and give as much information as you can. Or that's what you should do. So we've seen lots of projects in the past not do that. And this project is the exact opposite of all those projects, I feel. And that is one of the reasons why I put money into this. Okay. So I put my own money into this. The team haven't given me any money. They've never asked me to do a video or anything like that. I volunteered to do this. Okay. So I've done that because I trust people like Apple Juice. Okay. So he was in other projects and he came across as extremely good and very trustworthy. Okay. So that was the main reason why I got in. Okay. Now, other people, when I did that first video, said, hold on a minute, John, this looks like a Ponzi scheme. Okay. How do you know it isn't? And the bottom line is you don't. Okay. You don't know it's a Ponzi scheme, but all the team can do is give as much proof as possible to show that they're trading. So if you watch the video, and I'll give you a link to that. Okay, so if you watch the video, I'll only play a little bit of it. So it shows him kind of logging in.
We're gonna have the accounts. So these are all my accounts.
So there you go. He's shown his account. So he's got his own accounts that he trades with, and then these two are the the Legatus Capital accounts. Okay, so obviously he's not going to show his personal accounts. All right, so that's fair and dandy kind of thing. Okay, so he goes through that. So I won't play it, but you can watch the video in your own time. The point is, I asked for the video. I had other people saying, listen, John, you need to get them to show them videos. So I asked the team, show us a video, okay? It can't be that difficult to show us a video. And they did that within a couple of hours. I think it's much faster than that, okay? They did that within an hour. So as soon as I asked, show us a video, show us the proof, boom, it's on the table, okay? Um, Now, other things that I forgot to mention is this bonds. I didn't actually show that. So there is a bonds tab. Now, they recently released some more bonds. So the whole point of bonds is that they can increase the amount of TVL. Okay, they can get more money in by basically giving cheaper shares. I think that's basically it. So they can offer it, say, at 10 cents, and more people put money into that. And then but they got bought up very quickly. So they got, I think it was $150,000. I could be wrong there. Sounds like quite a bit, but I think they had quite a bit um, in LGTS that you could buy cheaper in these bonds, which basically slowly get let out after sort of within sort of 14 days kind of thing, or 7 days. So there was that, and they got snapped up straight away. So that's how much faith there is in the project. Now, if you want to get in the project, then you can click on my affiliate link. So I do have an affiliate link. So maybe some of you saying, "Oh, John, you're just shilling this project." I guess I am. Okay. But the point is, when I got into the project, I asked somebody else, does anybody else have an affiliate link that I can use? The reason why it's beneficial to use an affiliate link is that you'll get some 5% in this phantom stake. Okay. And I can show you that here actually. So here, when I joined up, it's obvious that someone else has gone through my affiliate link now. So when I joined up, I put in that I would have got 5%. So what's that, about 160? So I'd have got about 160 phantom stakes. So I guess I've now got God, I can't do maths. 230 extra phantom stakes from other people joining in through my affiliate link. So thanks, whoever that was. Okay, so you can click on my affiliate link if you want to get into this, and then that'll increase your phantom stake basically. So it's not actual something that you can get a hold of, but it will should increase your rewards. Now, what other things they've increased? So if you go to the docs, they've added now smart contracts. So they've added information about the smart contracts. So here you got the LGS token, okay, the stake, bonding, and manager. So they've got 4 smart contracts here. Is that another one as well? Protocol development. So that's 5. Trading pool. So they've got all the contracts. Okay, smart contracts. Sorry, wallets as well, obviously. So this is what I mean by transparency. Not every project gives you all of this information. Not only that, they'll then explain the actual smart contracts. So they put in like external call, explain that. And then also you can look at the token sniffer score. Okay, so if I click on that, token sniffer, it comes out 92 out of 100. Now, if you use this, what I would do, have a look at other projects, look at Solana, look at Pikamoon. That's a good one to look at. If you look at other projects, you might get a 0 score. Okay, when I did Pikamoon, I think I got a 0 out of 100. I think it might be 4 now or something. I haven't looked at it in a while. They can change these scores, but clearly 92 out of 100 is pretty good. Okay, it's very good, in fact. Okay, so I thought I should do another video because they've changed so much. The boys, Larry, Lord of Cry, and Apple Juice, who are behind it, have done a lot of work behind the scenes, getting on with things, making their investors feel safe and confident in the project. Now, let me just say well done to the boys for that. So the only thing that can go against this really is the trading. And so far, actually, let's just go back to the trading. So far, historically, I mean, because this is all we can go on. So we go to the docs, performance history. So this is what we're looking at. This is the performance history. As you can see, it's solid. And the reason why it's solid is because they're trading properly, I assume, okay, judging by this graph. They're not investing, they're not putting all the money, they're not putting all their eggs in one basket. So they're splitting up the trading pool into small amounts that they're going to trade with and risk. So if they've got 30,000, for example, they can split it up into 100 packages. So they're 1% each, $300. If you lose $300, you've lost $300. It's 1%. You're not investing all the whole lot and it can all just go in the click of your finger kind of thing, which obviously it can do if you're using leverage. And the boys are obviously using leverage because that's the only way you can make decent amounts of money most of the time is by using leverage. So clearly they're using leverage. Okay. And it is risky. It's forex trading. So the bottom line still remains is you are risking your money when you put in your hard-earned cash into this project. But the point is that I'm trying to make here is you're not putting into a Ponzi scheme. They are actually trading from all the information that I can see and all the work they're putting in. It's clear to me that they are actually trading and this is not a Ponzi scheme. We're not being paid out by new investors' money. Okay, let me bring this dog up. Come here, you. Say hello to everybody. Dog. Shall we invest in this, Lulu? Shall we invest? Lulu says yes, but it's entirely up to you. Okay. Right, where am I? That's about it, really. I just made this video just to hopefully address some of your concerns, which were legitimate. And this is the point about this project. If you've got legitimate concerns, raise them, ask the questions, do due diligence. Okay. Don't feel stupid about asking questions, even if they are a stupid question. Okay. Don't feel scared about asking a question. Don't feel like if you're going to ask a question, oh, they're going to ban me. It's not going to happen in this Discord. You know, we're not dealing with Lou Coelho here and his clowns, all right, who just like banning everybody for asking any simple business question. If you've got a question that's a business question that's related, ask away, and the boys will be only too happy. I think they'll be more than happy. They want a they want a Discord which is teeming with life, you know. They want people to ask questions and be excited about it. You can tell that the boys are excited about it, you know. Anyway, I've waffled enough. It's up to you. If you want to follow my link, then do so. Like I say, I'm invested in this. It's my YouTube channel has been going several years now, and I don't invest in very much. And I don't give out affiliate links to anything hardly. This is about the only project I would say. It's probably about 4 projects where I've given out affiliate links. So, and this is one of them. So many people keep on asking me, John, what do you think is an okay project to invest in? And I think this is an okay project to invest in. Is it risky? Yes. Okay. I would still put your money in things like Bitcoin. All right. And other solid projects like Bitcoin and stuff like that. But if you want a risk with high returns, then I'd say this is it. You know, you're getting between targeted 5 and 15%. Okay. So remember that they have targeted 5 to 15%. That's not a guarantee. You know, maybe one month they'll lose some money. All right. But so far it's looking good. They are giving solid performance week in, week out. But to the public, they've only been going a week. Okay. They've done all this testing behind the scenes and they're happy with what they've done and then bring it to the table. So far, the first week, they've made 5%, which is unbelievable. When I say unbelievable, I don't mean unbelievable. I'm hoping that they've actually done that, okay, in the trading. Right, I've waffled enough. I'll let you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do the usual stuff.